30 million Americans suffer from migraines. If you have them, you know how debilitating they can get. That deep, stinging headache with unbearable pain. But now there is a cutting-edge procedure that promises to ease that pain. Eyewitness News reporter Kimberly Richardson has more.
5 years old is the first time I remember getting a bad one.
For Jonathan Haney, what followed were endless visits to the ER, appointments with neurologists, and later on, countless sick days from work.
I had pretty much a headache for 6 years nonstop, but it depends on some of the days my eyes would black out and I couldn't see, and then some days you'd be able to deal with it.
But in mid-November, the 25-year-old migraine sufferer underwent a cutting-edge procedure. Matthew also had the surgery just 3 days ago. Dr. Kaveh Alizadeh and his team first checked to see if the patient would be a good candidate by blocking problematic muscles with Botox and using local anesthetic on stubborn nerves.
Patients who are responsive to the conservative treatment and injections with the Botox are the best candidates.
During the actual surgery, the team identifies pressure points which cause pain and vary from person to person and releases them.
Literally a switch has been turned off. This immense pain that was going on, all of a sudden there's this relief as early as the next day after surgery.
It sounds really too good to be true, which makes me suspect.
Dr. Larry Newman is head of the Headache Institute here at St. Luke's Roosevelt Hospital and says the jury is still out whether this surgery really works. He points out what Matthew and others may be experiencing is a placebo response.
Right now I'd call it extreme because there's only one study, and there's not enough evidence that I would feel comfortable sending a family member. And if I wouldn't send a family member, I surely wouldn't send a patient.
As for Jonathan, he says he's now pain-free.
Everything's changed pretty much. I don't have to worry about, like, if I have plans, I know I can actually go there. I don't have to worry about if I have a headache when I wake up or how bad it is.
In Manhasset, Kimberly Richardson, Channel 7, Eyewitness News.